When it comes to web scraping, bypassing restrictions, and staying undetected, the choice of proxy service you use is incredibly important. Today, we're going to be comparing NetNut versus Proxy4u to decide which one of these major players are better. Now, you've probably heard of NetNut, but today we're going to be talking about why Proxy4u just has a slight edge over them and they're a lot cheaper. Let's dive into this. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room, residential proxies. So in terms of quality and health, yes, both of these do offer fairly good services, but Proxy4u offers genuine residential IPs. What does this mean? Basically, it makes it virtually undetectable by anti-bot systems. Each request looks like a real user from a real household internet connection. NetNut, on the other hand, does boast big numbers, but it has limited residential pools, making it easier for sites to detect scrapers. But let's talk about limits on the internet access you get. Obviously, the best case is you want no limits, but we can see with NetNut, you actually have packages that give you limits on how much you can use, which could lead you getting cut off and not getting the best data. Whereas Proxy4u actually work on a pay-as-you-go model, so they get no recurring fees for you, no bandwidth caps, and no time limits on that. You're basically paying as you go, and that's going to be better for gathering the right data. So in short, NetNut is going to be a subscription-based model with limits and caps, and Proxy4u is basically going to give you full access without worrying about extra costs because it's pay as you go. But what about IP rotation and speed? Well, Proxy4u actually offer automatic IP rotation with real residential IPs, ensuring every request looks like a fresh, unique user, plus it offers high-speed connections without throttling. NetNut, on the other hand, provides IP rotation, but it lacks the same level of diversity and stealth as Proxy4u, making some proxies more prone to detection. So overall, who is winning here? I think it is Proxy4u, typically when you're talking about web scraping, because it shines for LinkedIn, search engines, and business intelligence with its stealthy residential IPs and rotation. It's also very good for SEO monitoring. Proxy4u's geotargeting and uninterrupted access make it a dream for tracking global rankings. So, in conclusion here, Proxy4u brings you real residential IPs for top-tier stealth, a free 1 GB trial, and pay-as-you-go freedom, so no caps or commitments, which is far better than NetNut that will just force you into a package and then give you a limit on that package. And I would say Proxy4u is the best choice for businesses and individuals needing reliable, feasible, and flexible proxies. Definitely check out Proxy4u in the description, guys. Take advantage of that free trial, and that is going to be it for this video. See you guys in the next one.